Welcome back. So this is another Carnegie Mellon activity. This is part of their Introduction to Programming, and this one happens to be flower. So if we look at the solution, we have this. If we look at our canvas, we have this. So they look pretty close. However, so you'll notice that it's where we are starting the gradient. So here it looks like top left down to lower right. So I'm going to start top left. This will be top. This will be top right, left, right, center, lower left, that kind of thing. Okay, so you just got to get each one right here. So this one's 40/80. So now we're going to not fill gradient, start. Okay, so let's just check that one out a second. Oops. Oh. Goodness. Right here. It's got to be within the gradient. Okay, now let's try that. There we go. So see, this first one's done. And then this one's 150/80, so this one's going to be top. Yep. And we just kind of work our way across. So these are the three on the top. And I think that should be right top is how they... Okay. Yep, there we go. So then this is the middle row. And you could just copy and paste this and place them in there, but I'm gonna... This one doesn't need one actually because this is the center. This one's gonna be right. Oops. Okay, so there's right. Let's just try these. There we go. And the last ones here will be left bottom. So this way. All right, so real key with this is just make sure you don't forget the quotation marks, commas here. Just make sure you got it in the right spot. There we go, and I think that looks identical. All right, so really not a lot of code, just kind of had to add the start in here for these. But hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.